This is my long telephoto. It's the Pentax 55-300 zoom. On my crop sensor camera, it gives me 450 millimeters of reach. So that is really awesome. I really love to use it when I'm shooting outdoors, if I'm shooting sports. The thing about this, even though it's a very cost-effective remedy for a long telephoto, it is extremely sharp, especially if you're shooting from f5.6 to f8. It's very light and extremely sharp. So that's why I bought it. And like I said, I don't have a lot of use for it, but when I do use it, I know I can rely on it to give me great results. The Pentax 55-300 zoom.